guys! It's me once again, Sus Vlog Channel. So for today's video, mag-share tayo ng another vlogging for today. So another day, another vlog from me. But by this time, I will not cook something heavy in the stomach. Gusto ko lang mag-bake ng something na lulutuin ko na pwede nating ma-eat sa ating breakfast. So for the meantime, bago natin i-share, ay papakita ko lang sa inyo guys ang step by step or ano yung mga ingredient na aking gagamitin. Of course, as you can see guys, meron tayong chocolate. So, itong mga chocolate ko guys is ginagamit ko siya most of the time sa aking mga granny video. And of course, hindi ko naman talaga siya kinakain or I just use it for my baking. So, this time naisip kong gamitin ang ating 2-bar chocolate bago pa siya ma-expired guys. Ano siya? Dark chocolate ang ating ginamit, hindi sa sweet na chocolate. So, of course, aside sa magagamit tayong chocolate, meron din akong separate na 2 eggs, of course. Magagamit tayo ng oil, olive oil, of course. And, meron na akong warm up na milk. So, ayan. Yan ang ating mga ingredient guys sa ating chocolate wafer na tinatawag. So, yan ang aking naisip lutuin for today's video. To be continue guys ang aking pag-vlog. So, a bit later. For the meantime, I will prepare everything and I show you when is melt na ang ating chocolate. So, continue guys for my video today. As you can see, meron na tayong tigmelt ko na guys ng paunti-unti ang ating dark chocolate. So, instead na magagamit ako guys ng chocolate powder, ginamit ko yung mga extra kong chocolate sa fridge. So, bago pa mawis ang ating chocolate, gamitin natin for cooking. So, it's almost done guys. Of course, I need to just wait to cool down kasi I use it hot water for melting ang ating chocolate. And at the same time guys, diba? It's really look yummy. And of course, nabati na rin natin ang ating eggs na 2 itlog. Imimix natin siya dito sa ating chocolate. But I need to wait to cool down ang ating chocolate guys before natin imix ang ating eggs kasi baka maluto ang ating itlog. At the same time, idito ko na rin guys pagsasama-samahin ang ating mga liquid ingredient of course. We will add a cup of milk. I think I will not follow the recipe that I saw it in I will put less oil kasi ayaw ko masyadong oily. But gagamit naman tayo ng olive oil by this time. So, yun ang aking gagamitin. So, by this time, the chocolate is a little bit na siya, cool down. And I will put the milk. I will put lasting the eggs guys. Kasi ang eggs kasi baka maluto siya sa mainit. Medyo warm pa yung ating chocolate liquid. So, aside from gagamit tayo guys ng chocolate, of course, maglalagay din tayo ng brown sugar. But I think I will put less sugar. Instead na maglalagay tayo ng 1 cup, I think I will just probably put half cup ng ating brown sugar. Para hindi naman talaga siya ganun katamis. Kasi actually, ang chocolate guys is dark chocolate siya. Hindi siya matamit, mapait siya. I use the dark chocolate. Tikman ko nga. Yes, hindi talaga matamis ang ating chocolate guys. So, mag-blend lang yung lasa ng ating brown sugar. So, instead, gagamit ako ng 1 cup, maglalagay lang tayo ng half cup ng brown sugar. So, para hindi siya ganun ka-sweety guys. We continue guys again ang ating pagbablog for today. Nagamit na ako ng aking tripod ng aking phone para magamit ko ang aking suhan for my cooking for today. So maglalagay na tayo guys ng sugar, yung ating mixture na half cup ng sugar, brown sugar. We try all my best pa rin guys to be healthy ang ating baking for today. Although hindi naman siya totally healthy. But, instead na gagamit tayo ng white sugar, I use it brown sugar, of course. And of course, i-add na natin ang ating 2 eggs na binati kanina. We're just mixing all together, guys. And after that, maglalagay tayo ng 2 cups of brown, powder. We will add flour. Ayan. Flour and at the same time, baking powder, baking soda. Mag-add tayo. And a little bit pinch of salt, guys. So, we will make sure na na-mix natin all together ang ating mga wet ingredient. And after that, we will add the dry ingredient for the last. So, I think I will be mix it all together, guys. Okay na siya. So, wait. I will mix the flour. So, ayan guys. Ilalagay ko ang ating 1 cup na flour. Pero gagamit ako guys ng ating, strainer para yung buong buo, yung may mga buo-buong flour, hindi siya directly naman pupunta sa ating chocolate liquid. So, ayan ang ating ginagawa. Slowly but gently para hindi tayo magkalat sa aking kusina, guys, kasi ayaw kong makalat. Ayan, di ba? As you can see, guys, yung may mga buo-buong siya, flour na natin. Ayan, ginaganon natin siya. So, actually, meron akong electric na pang guys, pang mixer. Kaso lang ayaw kong gamitin kasi minsan nagtitilansik siya, guys, kasi uncontrol yung pag-press mo na yung electric. So, ayaw kong magkalat dito sa aking kitchen. I have for my electric mixer. But I got lazy. So, I better to use my hand because I can control it, how I move. Yan. So, yung isang cup, mamaya-maya na natin. Pag na-mix na natin siya, we will continue later. I will use it 2 cup of flour sa ating waffle. Ayan. Kasi pag ilagay ko siya ng at one time at ang ating flour, medyo mahirap i-mix it, guys. Kaya, I choose to be like this one. One time at a time. Kumbaga. And the last thing na ilalagay natin, guys, is ang ating a pinch of salt to be mixed ang ating lasa, of course. And 1 teaspoon of baking soda or baking powder. So, ayan. Yan yung last ingredient natin ilalagay, guys. Tapos, i-hulma na natin doon sa ating hulmahan. So now guys, ayan na na-mixture na natin ang ating kaunti na lang. And of course, ilalagay na natin ng oil. Gently guys, para di tayo magkalat. We will mix it natin siya ng ganon. So, diba? And maglalagay tayo ng, antayin lang natin guys na mag-mix well all together ang ating mga ingredient. And maglalagay tayo ng saan na ba yung aking baking soda. So this is my baking soda. Tig-transfer ko lang kasi gusto ko may cover up yung aking asan na ba yung aking baking powder. Yan, baking powder ito dito sa amin. And a pinch of salt. So yan na lang guys, and we ready to bake. Yung finished product natin guys, o diba, very smooth ang ating texture ng ating pang wafer. So, ayan, pakita ko lang sa inyo guys ang aking lulutuan. So guys, sa aking table, kasi medyo maliit nga ang aking of course, iano natin siya ng guys, yung iano natin dito ng oil, of course, para hindi naman siya magdikit-dikit ang ating Birikit lang guys ang aking lutuan, maliit lang siya. Wala, naisip ko lang magawa ng ganito guys. Para naman may bago. So, ayan. Dalawa lang ang pwede natin gawin in one time. So, ayan guys, mainit na ang ating kasi pinainit ko na siya for tig-turn on ko na siya guys, mga 3 minutes. So, ayan. Ay, wala pala akong pang continue ang ating pagbablog. Of course, i-continue lang natin siya hanggang maubos natin ang ating chocolate na i-bake. And of course, nakita nyo naman yung ating unang video. So, tig-ano ko lang siya. It's really good, guys. It's really very easy, very basta I like it. I'm happy, guys. So, ayan, i-continue ko lang siya, guys, na maubos ang ating liquid na gagawing syrup in. Meron ako dyan honey, guys, sa aking table, sa aking cabinet. So, yan na lang ang ating gagawing pang sa ibabaw para mas masarap siya, guys. Or something banana. Maybe for my morning breakfast tomorrow, guys. I will be happy to do that one. Uy, magtatapon. Ay! Sorry. So, ayan na lang, guys. Hanggang dito na lang ang ating pagbablog. Basta ganun na lang ang ating gagawin. Continue lang natin siya. At mamaya ipapakita ko ang tapos na ng ating So, hindi na natin masyadong para hindi umaba ang ating video. Maboboring na kayo pag ipakita ko pa siya ng lahat-lahat. So, that's all for today's video, guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Initin natin, guys. Ianong ko din siya ng oil para di siya masyadong dumikit. Try natin. Madilim dito, guys, sa aking kusina. Kahit anong liwanag ng aking cellphone. Sandali. I-ano natin. Para hindi magkalat. Ilapit. Kasi nga ayaw kong magkalat, guys. Kasi ang hirap maglinis. Uy. Ito naman tayo sa another side. Tapos, i-cover up natin siya, guys. Kulang pala ang So, dagdagan natin. Ayan, para mag-cover up siya. This is the first time, guys, kong ginawa, actually. So, let's cover up. So, we will wait. Let's check, guys, ang ating first attempt na ginawa. Tingnan natin. Let's take a look. Oh, diba? Wow. Kaso lang mainit, guys. Try natin. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. Wait. Gagamit tayo, guys, ng kasi mainit. Baka maano ang aking kamay. Let me see ang ating first whopper na ginawa. Madilim kasi dito, guys, sa akin. Uy, parang ang sarap, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy. Makagawa ng ganito, guys. I'm so happy, to be honest. Wait. It's really hot. You must be careful, guys, when you're making something. Oh, diba? My first attempt, guys, na aking ginawang Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Let me try. Hindi pa nga ako nag-lunch, guys. Try natin. You see? It's yummy. Oh my gosh. Perfectly. It's just right. Yung lasa ng ating sweetness, nag-blend siya lahat, guys. It's really perfectly. Oh my God. First time kong ginawa to, guys. So, I'm so happy and grateful na perfect ko siya, guys. It's really tasty. Mas masarap to kung lalagyan natin ng syrup sa ibabaw or something banana or strawberry. So, ayun. So, my vlog for today is I'm so happy. Seriously. So, this is it, guys. I'm totally done for my chocolate na ginawa for today. Chocolate wafers. So, ayan na, guys. Ang dami kong nagawa actually. So, this is the last thing. Nag-iisa na lang siya. Pero niluto ko pa rin, guys. So, Ayan, medyo warm na. Hindi na siya masyadong mainit. So, ang dami kong nagawa. So, maraming salamat. That's all for today's video. Thank you. Kakain ako ng isa. Lalagyan ko ng a little bit honey. Syrup. And I have a good breakfast for tomorrow, guys. So, ayun. Thank you. It's really yummy. Actually, I already ate once.